Cooperative Federation of Nigeria, ahead of the 2023 International Cooperative Day celebrations, has called on the federal government of Nigeria to pay adequate attention to the cooperative sector. Speaking at a press conference held at Houghton Suite, Abuja, the president of Cooperative Federation of Nigeria, High Chief Tajuddin Oriyomi Ayola, remarked that cooperative is a veritable tool for driving suitable programs worldwide and has been recognized by the United Nations as a resilient business model.
Cooperative is a veritable tool for driving sustainable programs worldwide and has been recognized by the United Nations as a resilient business model. I therefore call on government to use the existing cooperative platforms for implementation of their socio-economic programs for sustainable and better welfare of the Nigerian people.
The Cooperative Federation of Nigeria president extended a deserving congratulatory message to the President of Nigeria and to the Vice President.
Let me first and foremost start by congratulating His Excellency Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, DC ever, on his inauguration and attainment of the exalted position as the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces Federal Republic of Nigeria. This is honor well deserved. I equally congratulate and felicitate with the Vice President, His Excellency Senator Kashim Shettima, GCON.
High Chief Oriyomi Ayola spoke on when the Cooperative Day is celebrated and how far the celebrations have come.
The first Saturday of July every year is set aside by International Cooperative Alliance for the celebration of International Cooperative Day. This year being the 104th International Cooperative Day celebration. In 1995, United Nations proclaimed the celebration on the centenary celebration of the ICA, and this year marks the 29th International Day of Cooperative by United Nations.
He also spoke on the aim of celebrating International Day of Cooperative.
The aim of the celebration is to increase awareness on the contribution of cooperative movement to providing solutions to some of the problems besetting the world. The celebration is used to highlight successes and challenges of cooperatives and chart a course of action for further growth and development for the coming years, while strategizing to surmount identified challenges. The theme for this year's International Cooperative Day is Cooperative for Sustainable Development.
The press conference provided a background to how old cooperative is as a business model and its partnership in achieving sustainable development goals.
The cooperative movement, as one of the oldest and largest business networks, was the first group of enterprises worldwide to endorse the SDGs and be recognized as a partner in achieving these goals.
Bearing challenges faced by cooperative, the practice is entrenched in many sectors of the economy.
In Nigeria, cooperatives are practically in all spheres of human endeavor and in all nooks and crannies of our rural and urban areas. Cooperative operations cover agriculture, health, transportation, manufacturing, production, housing, and most widely known for provision of affordable credit facilities for members.
The address expounded on the contributions of cooperatives to the Nigerian economy.
While we celebrate International Cooperative Day, it is important I point out how cooperatives have been consciously involved in the growth and development of Nigeria's economy. Cooperatives provide members and micro, small, and medium enterprises loans with affordable interest rates to develop their enterprises, thereby creating more jobs and creating wealth also. Many cooperatives across the country are involved in agriculture and manufacturing of agro-allied products. Cooperatives and cooperators in Nigeria have huge investment in land and water transportation, education, both primary and secondary schools, housing, and health facilities worth hundreds of billions of naira.
On the need for working with federal government, High Chief Ayola had this to say.
With over 20 million cooperative members across the country, we are willing to partner with the current administration in its stride to drive sustainable growth for our dear country, particularly in the wake of government plan to roll out palliatives to cushion the effect of the fuel subsidy removal on Nigerians.
The opportunity of the press conference was used to call out all state federations for active participation in 2023 International Cooperative Celebrations.
I implore all cooperators in all the states of the Federation to participate actively in the coming weeks in the celebration of 2023 International Day in their states, as the Cooperative Federation in the states, in conjunction with the Department of Cooperative, have lined up a series of activities for the celebration. These include road shows, march parks, exhibition of cooperative products, lectures, workshops, and concern for the community projects. The concern for the community projects is a cooperative way of giving back to the society.
Data collection on activities of cooperatives has been a long-drawn problem because of inconclusive jobs done on this in the past. High Chief Ayola gave an insight on what the Federation is currently doing.
Let me also use this opportunity to appreciate AfriCoopers Limited for partnering with us for a national cooperative enumeration exercise. The exercise is aimed at collecting and collating data on cooperative societies, their activities and members all over Nigeria. This is to enable us have more reliable data for the cooperative sector in Nigeria so as to be able to substantiate the contributions of cooperative to the GDP of the country.
The president of the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria appealed to all and sundry to appreciate the efforts of cooperatives and their members in building a more sustainable and equitable future for all. The president responded to different questions from the pressmen. Present at the press conference with the president of the Cooperative Federation of Nigeria were Vice President, Cooperative Federation of Nigeria, the Treasurer, Executive Secretary of Cooperative Federation of Nigeria, and Registrar of the Institute of Cooperative Professionals of Nigeria.